Hey, what's up? Chiang here.
So today we are going to set up C programming environment on Linux. We will install Visual Studio Code to write our C program and Clang used to compile our code into executable file. After installation, we will try out with a simple C program. Alright, now let's download and install Visual Studio Code. In official site, there is two versions for Linux. Choose version that's suitable for your Linux. Since I'm using Ubuntu, so I'm going to choose the DEB package. You can check online to know which version is suitable for you. We need to install DEB package using command. We change directory to the folder that keep DEB file. Then we use sudo dpkg-i package name to install it. Password need to confirm installation. Yeah, we can see that vscode icon is already there. Let's move on to install Clang so we're able to compile our C program. Before we install, we use Clang -- version to confirm whether Clang is installed on our Linux. If it shows the version of Clang, then you can skip this chapter. Now we type sudo apt install Clang. Key in password again to confirm installation. We need to type Y to confirm installation, then sit back and get a coffee. Now let's confirm whether it is installed by Clang -- version. If yours didn't show the version of Clang like this, then you may try to reinstall again. Alright, we have installed Visual Studio Code and Clang, so let's try it out with a simple C program. Now, we create a new folder to save our code and our program. Of course, you can pick any name you like. Then, we create hi.c, and this is where we're gonna write our code. Alright, now we need to include standard io.h. This is header file you need to include every time. So you're able to use some input or output function like printf. Then we need to create a main function as entry point of our program. Printf stands for print formatted. So the first parameter we are going to put %sign s. The s means string. Second parameter we put hello exclamation mark \n. \n means new line. Before we compile and run our program, we install extension for C for better experience. Alright, now we need to compile our code first before we can run it. We use clang-o hello hi.c. The hello is executable file name. To run the hello, we use ./hello. Yeah, it shows the output of the program. Let's try to make some changes and run again. Yeah, it works. Now we have finished set up C programming environment on Linux.
Thank you for watching. See you.